Hi, Oakley. What you doing, buddy? All right, I'm going to take you guys with me. I am going to show you what I do to repair my shoes. I don't know if this makes me a hillbilly or what, but I don't really care. Get you some Gorilla or any tape, any glue. Good sturdy glue. I'm going to squirt that right here, right over here. Then I'm going to take this duct tape and put it around it so that it dries, because it takes about 48 hours for that stuff to set up the way that it's supposed to set up. Okay, I've got the glue in there. See it? Sparkle, sparkle. And there it is. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty? Now I'll leave that on there for 48 hours minimum. And this Gorilla duct tape has good enough adhesion that I don't have to worry about it coming off. And this Gorilla Clear Grip bonds with metal, glass, fabric, wood, ceramic, leather, paper, plastic, and more. Good stuff, but it takes a while. Waterproof, permanent bond, holds in just seconds. Oh, I thought it was 48 hours. Directions: to maximize bond strength, wait approximately 2 minutes after adhesive to partially dry before joining surfaces. Allow a minimum of 24 hours for full cure. A minimum of 24 hours. Okay. Do you like that chair, Oakley? Do you? The wind's blowing from the north. Boy. And away we go. It is a windy day today. Windy, sunny, and gorgeous. Oh dear, 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 dear. I had to let her know that she was about out of gas. She decided to just take care of it tomorrow. She has to go somewhere rather than today while I'm out, because it would be out of the way to get gas, because the bread store where I'm going is nowhere near a gas station. I wanted to show you guys what we buy. We go to an Amish store where they make their own breads and pastries. They have everything from sweet rolls, as you can see right here. This is a cinnamon roll with pecans, and then soft and absolutely delicious. Got this whole milk here at the dollar store. They're both very close together, so it's pretty convenient. I'm just out here getting a walk. Evening time. Now this summer, when it gets hot, I'll be doing this primarily early in the morning at the crack of dawn, because it will be too uncomfortable otherwise. I'm just using my cell phone camera, so it's probably going to be kind of shaky. There was a herd of deer over here earlier. I kind of spooked them. Now I don't see them naturally. There's little Oakley waiting on me. Little Oakley watching me walk in circles, getting my 30 minutes of cardio in. There's Oakley. Oak, are you showing off? Are you showing off? Are you? Is that what you're doing? Are you showing off, Oakley? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That was a big old yawn. That was a big old yawn, wasn't it? Oh boy. Time for cleaning as he wallows in the filth. Must have had an itch. Was that what that was? Was that an itch? Okay. Continue with your mud bath. What a glorious day. Well, I better continue with my walk. It's a big old tree, isn't it? Not the biggest tree I've ever seen, but it's definitely pretty good size. I can't sneak up on you, can I? Yeah. I can't sneak up on you. I just wanted to share what I do at night, what I drink at night before I go to bed. Well, it's like, a few hours before I go to bed, but in the evening, like 6 or 7, I go to bed usually about 9, 8 or 9. Anyway, so what I do is I do a cup of milk. I put it in the microwave for 3 minutes because it's ice cold out of the refrigerator. Normally, if I just do water for coffee, it's 2 minutes, but for this I do 3 minutes because it's, like I said, cold milk. So you want to get it good and hot, and then I put in a scoop of cocoa powder, a scoop of turmeric powder. It's a turmeric blend that I bought that has cinnamon and clove and nutmeg and all kinds of really, really healthy things, superfoods. The turmeric alone is just a powerhouse. Look it up sometime. There's all kinds of health benefits to every one of those things that I just said. And then I'll do MCT oil. That adds a little bit of sweetness, natural sweetness. And then I'll do a little bit of stevia extract, cocoa powder, and then I'll do cinnamon. I'll add cinnamon. I'll add black pepper because black pepper helps with your absorption. It allows your body to absorb up to 2,000 times more than what it would if it didn't have any black pepper. It's highly recommended. Black pepper is highly recommended for health and nutrition for that reason. And I've said that before, I think, on another video, other videos. And the cocoa and the stevia and the milk alone is like cocoa. And then when you add the turmeric, it's a small enough amount that it really doesn't change the flavor that much at all. So it's rather delicious. And that's why this looks golden. Oops, there's still some There's still some cocoa. That's why I keep a spoon in here, because you have to stir it. Every time you take a sip, you have to stir it, because it settles to the bottom, the turmeric especially, and the black pepper. So you want to keep those things active so that you consume them. And then when I've got this drink, then I will even take it a step further and I'll rinse this out. Not rinse it out, but I'll put a little bit of water in there and try to get every single bit that's in there, because of all of the health nutrition benefits. So that's what I do in the evening. So I've got my coffee in the morning, and in the evening this is what I do. And it also, believe it or not, this concoction will help you to sleep. Maybe not. Cut that last part out.